Hello, today I'm going to be talking about the shoulder joint, one of the most mobile and used joints and articulations within the human body. The shoulder is a ball and socket joint, very much like the hip but with far more mobility, meaning very simply that it is a ball-shaped piece that sits in a cup-shaped piece or a horseshoe-shaped piece, whichever one tickles your fancy, and this allows for many different modes of rotation. To give another example for us is my good friend Master Chief. He is an action figure, not at all. So if we get real close, we can see he has this same ball and socket joint. And this ball and socket joint allows for something called circumduction, coming from the Latin word circum, meaning around or circle. Very helpful. So as we can see with this ball and socket joint, it allows for abduction, adduction, flexion, extension, and all kinds of stuff that humans are not allowed to do because this would be bad. Look at all that torture. The shoulder itself, not shown by Master Chief here, is actually wrapped by many different ligaments around the head of the humerus, which is that ball that we were talking about, which fits into the socket of the scapula, just like so, also called the glenohumeral joint. Around this socket, imagine that there was a bunch of different blankets just wrapped around my fist. This is going to keep it in there, ideally. When we run into situations like a dislocated shoulder, this is when the pocket slips out and it goes one way or the other, but it is not in the socket. When this happens, it is extremely important that we get that socket back in its place as soon as possible, because the longer those ligaments are stretched and the longer the joint stays out, the more stretched out those ligaments become. Ligaments are not like rubber bands. They don't retain their shape, they don't bounce back very well. When they're stretched, they're stretched. And if you don't take special care to rest the joint, reconstructive surgery may even be needed, the chances of another slip or another dislocation exponentially increase with each following dislocation. Thank you for watching my video, and I hope this was informational about the shoulder joint.